Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today you solve the questions based on indefinite integral. Okay, so write your first question. Integration of sec x upon sec x plus tan x dx. Integration of sec x upon sec x plus tan x dx. Okay, so what you do in that case, you have to, that means express that complete function in a such a way that whose standard form is है ना? So what you do, you have to taking the conjugate of denominator. So you have sec x into sec x minus tan x whole divided by sec square x minus tan square x dx. Means here you taking the conjugate, and in denominator you applying the formula for a plus b, a square minus b square. Okay, so that b equal to 1, and here you have sec square x minus sec x into tan x dx. Okay, now integrate it. So the integration of sec square x is equal to tan x, and here you have sec x plus c. So this is your result. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now you write next question. Integration of sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x divided by sine square x into cos square x dx. This is your question. Sine square x, cos square x dx. So here you applying identity. Here you know one of the identity a plus b, sorry, a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. You applying this identity, so that be very helpful to reduce it. है ना? So sine to the power 6x can be written as sine square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube and whole divided by sine square x into cos square x dx. You write in this way, okay? And just you applying identity, so you have sine square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3 sine square x cos square x into sine square x plus cos square x dx whole divided by, you can write sine square x into cos square x. So that was asked in 2014. Now what you do, just you distribute it also. So here you have 1, here you have 1, so you can write 1 upon sine square x cos square x. You write in this way, 1 upon sine square x cos square x. And if you distributed here, so sine square x cos square x and sine square cos square x is cancelled, and here you have 1, so you have only 3 into dx. 3 into dx. Understand? Now, in place of 1, here you can write sine square x plus cos square x. So write sine square x plus cos square x divided by sine square x cos square x minus 3 into dx. You can write in this way. Understand? And again, you distribute these two terms here. So sine square x upon this value can be written as sec square x. And here you have plus cosec square x minus 3 into dx. You can write in this way. Now integrate it. So the integration of sec square x is equal to tan x. So write here tan x. Integration of cosec square x is equal to minus cot x. And here you have minus 3x plus c. So that is your result. So that was asked in 2014. Okay. Understand? Now you write next question. So your next question is integration of 1 plus cos 4x divided by cos x minus 10x dx. Cos x minus 10x into dx. So this is your next question. So what you do, you have to convert cot and tan in terms of sine and cos. Sine and cos, understand? And also 1 plus cos 4x can be written as 2 cos square 2x. So applying it. So here you write cos square 2x. So here you can write cos square 2x divided by cos x upon sin x minus sin x upon cos x dx. You can write in this way. Now taking LCM, so your LCM part can be written as cos square 2x into, here you have sin x into cos x. You write it in numerator, and here you have cos square x minus sin square x dx. Okay, you write in this way. And you know cos square x, 1 plus cos 4x is equal to 2 cos square 2x. You write here 2 also. Yeah, correct it. So cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. So one of the power is cancel out here. So here you have 2 cos square 2x into sin x cos x divided by cos 2x into dx. So 1 power of cos 2x is cancelled out. And here 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. So you write here cos 2x into sin 2x. You multiply here by 2 and dividing by 2. So it becomes 2 sin 2x cos 2x, which is equal to sin 4x. So that can be written 1 by 2 integration of sin 4x dx. And you know what is the value of this. So you know the integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. Okay, but here you have sin 4x, means sine and this angle is in a form of linear function. So you have to divide by the coefficient of x also. Just I'm telling you when I teach you about that means property, inspection method. So what you do in that case, 1 upon 2 into minus cos 4x divided by coefficient of x plus c. So overall, you have minus 1 upon 8 cos 4x plus c is your final answer. Is your final answer. Yeah, okay. Here, सबको ये question. So overall, in each of the question of all the in this form, here you see that you have to simplify that given function in such a way that it be reduced in a form of standard result which you already know. So that's why you can very easily integrate it. Now, so your purpose is only that you have to reduce it in such a way that it is same as the standard form. So here you have some questions of integration based on inverse trigonometric functions, but that will be not in your syllabus. So that's why I skip all that question. So write next question. Yeah, write it. If f dash x is equal to 3x square minus 2 upon x cube. 3x square minus 2 upon x cube, and f1 is equal to 0. f1 is equal to 0. Find fx. Find fx. You have to find the value of fx. Understand? So here you have the value of derivative of the function, and your function is required. So here you applying the properties of indefinite integral. This complete that is definition of indefinite integral. So you already know this result कि the value of fx is equal to integration of f dash x dx. Integration of f dash x dx. Understand? So if you are putting its value, so you have 3x square minus 2 upon x cube into dx. So only you integrate that function, and using f1 is equal to 0, you have your answer. So what is its value? 3 into x cube upon 3 minus 2 into, this x cube is written as x to the power minus 3. So its integration is x to the power minus 2 upon minus 2 plus c. You write that value. So here minus and minus is cancelled out, 3 cancel out. So you have x cube plus 1 upon x square plus c. That is your first equation. So that gives the value of fx. Now, what is given? Now, what is given here? Here you have given f1 is equal to 0. Value of f1 is equal to 0, है ना? ये तो हमको दिया गया है कि f1 की वैल्यू 0 है. Now use it. So 1 implies here you have f1, so putting its value. So 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus c is equal to 0. So the value of c is equal to minus 2. So again you put it in 1, you have your function fx is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x square minus 2 is your answer. So in this way, you can solve that type of result. Next question. Yeah, right. So here, basically, here you see that your questions are completely that is based on here trigonometric functions. So you write next question, integration of 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Yeah, this is your question. So yes, simplifying it, 1 minus cos x can be written 2 sin square x by 2, and here you have 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So 2 and 2 is cancelled out, and you have tan square x by 2 dx. Tan square x by 2 dx. Understand? But there is no any standard, that is a function whose derivative is directly tan square x by 2. So what you do? You have to convert it in sec. So that can be written as sec square x by 2 minus 1, and then integrate it. So the derivative of sec square x by 2 is what? Here you write tan x by 2 divided by coefficient of x. So your coefficient of x is 1 upon 2. So you divide by here 1 by 2 minus x plus c. And that can be written 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c is your answer. So that is your answer. Okay. So from all these questions here, that is, we learn one thing. If you have any function, just you write next question. Integration of e to the power 2x minus 3 dx. Write it. So what is its value? If you compare it, that be in a form of e to the power x. So you applying it, and the integration of e to the power x is e to the power x. So you write e to the power 2x minus 3 divided by coefficient of x, which is 2 plus c. That is your answer. Yes, completed. In the same way, sometime 1 mark questions are asked in 2009 here. So you write sec square 7 minus 4x dx. Yes, direct question, 1 mark. So what you write? Tan 7 minus 4x divided by coefficient of x is minus 4 plus c. Yes, that is your solution. ठीक है बेटा, क्लियर ना? तो ये इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन कभी कभी आपको 1 मार्क्स में मिल सकते हैं. इन द सेम वे, जस्ट यू राइट साइन, sorry, here you have sin ax plus b cos ax plus b dx. So here you have sin and cos, है ना, and the angles are same. So what you do? Yes, dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2 here. So that is equal to 1 upon 2 sin 2x means sin 2ax plus 2b dx. You can write in this way and just integrate it, है ना. So here you have 1 by 2 into integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. So right here minus cos 2ax plus 2b divided by coefficient of x means 2a plus c. So overall you can write minus 1 by 4a cos 2ax plus 2b plus c. In case of indefinite integrals, sometimes it will happen your answer and the answers given in your textbook is not matched. So don't worry about it. Actually, your solution means your answer is completely depend upon the method in which method you solve your question, है ना. So sometimes it will happen. तो उस केस में आपको घबराना नहीं है. अरे मेरा तो आंसर मिल ही नहीं रहा है, क्या करें, गलत तो नहीं कर दिए. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है बेटा. योर आंसर इज टोटली 100% करेक्ट, है ना. बशर्ते कि बीच में कहीं मिस्टेक ना करो, सही फार्मूला अप्लाई करो एंड यू विल गेटिंग योर करेक्ट आंसर, है ना. तो इसमें आप नहीं बोला कि मेरा आंसर मैच नहीं किया तो मैं गलत तो नहीं कर दिया. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इंडेफिनिट इंटीग्रल में. समटाइम इट बी वेरिंग. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लगाते हैं जो कि 2002 में पूछा गया है. राइट, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx upon under root right here x plus 3 minus under root x plus 2. So if such type of result is given, then first of all you trying to that means remove all these radical signs. So that will remove very easily when you taking its conjugate. So right, integration of x plus 3 plus under root x plus 2 dx, and upon here you applying the formula for a square minus b square. So you have x plus 3 minus x minus 2. So x and x is cancelled out and here you have 1. So if you integrate the value of this radical sign, so what does it mean? That the x to the power 1 upon 2. So if integration is x to plus 3 whole power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, so you write here 2 by 3 minus, sorry, plus, here you write 2 by 3 x plus 2 whole power 3 by 2 plus 3 is your answer. So in this way, here you complete your result. Now sometimes your function is in a form of rational function. Rational function, understand? So if the rational functions are given, and so in that case, first you check the degree of numerator and denominator, है ना. If the degree of numerator and denominator are same, or the degree of numerator is greater than that of denominator, then first of all you divide it. तो पहले आप उसको divide कर लो, then you trying to getting the integration of that function. Understand? So in the same type of question just I give you, and here you have one question which was asked in 2006. So right, that one. Here you have one of the function x square plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square dx. You have this function. So if you simplify this x plus 1 whole square, so here you see that the degree of denominator and denominator both are same. X square means 2 degree in numerator and denominator. So first of all you trying to divide it, है ना. या तो आप डिवाइड करो या कभी कभी ये आसानी से बैलेंस हो सकता है, ठीक है. तो आप उसको कर सकते हो। अगर आप ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो एज रफ वर्क करो बेटा, ये डिवाइड कर लोगे आप, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 1 इज हियर एंड हियर यू हैव एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1, है ना। So that be of one time. So x square plus 1 plus 2x. Now subtract it. So that be cancelled, and here you have remainder minus 2x. Minus 2x is your remainder. So in that case, what you do? Here you have 1 time and minus 2x upon x plus 1 whole square. So that is your result. That is your result. Understand? ये समझ आया बेटा स्टेप आपको?
नो सर।
हाँ बेटा, नहीं ये इतना नहीं समझ आया। जब भी आपका ये डिनोमिनेटर की डिग्री और न्यूमरेटर की डिग्री सेम हो, अगर आप इसको एक्सपेंड कर लो, ये एक्स स्क्वायर आ रहा है ना, यहाँ भी एक्स स्क्वायर है, दोनों की डिग्री सेम है, सो इन दैट केस यू डिवाइड हियर। तो पहले आपने ये इसको डिवाइड कर लिया, तो एक 1 टाइम्स ये जा रहा है इसका क्वेश्चन, है ना। इस पूरी चीज को आप जैसे मान लो, सपोज आपके पास कोई फ्रैक्शन है 5/2, है ना, इसको आप क्या लिखते हो? यू कैन राइट दिस एज 2 + 1/2। और 2 + 1/2 लिख कैसे रहे हो, जरा ध्यान दो। 2 × 2 = 4 and your remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. So first of all, here you write quotient. You write here quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So here you apply this method here in the same way. You can apply that concept of arithmetic. Clear? आप समझ आया बेटा?
यस सर।
हाँ, तो ये आप यहाँ पे अप्लाई करोगे। अब इसको ट्राई करो, कोशिश करना है आपको सॉल्व करने के लिए। तो कैसे आप सॉल्व करोगे इस चीज को जरा ध्यान से समझो, बिकॉज यू कभी अभी आपको बहुत सारे चीज रिजल्ट फार्मूले ये सब नहीं मालूम है, तो ध्यान देना बेटा। तो देखो, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 कैन बी वेरी इजली ऑब्टेन्ड, सो यू राइट हियर x and here you have -2, you write here -2 and applying again integration x upon x plus 1 whole square dx. You write in this way. अब इसको हमको सॉल्व करना है, कैसे करेंगे जरा ध्यान दो। जहां पे x plus 1 है ना, तो हमने ऊपर भी 1 ऐड कर लिया अपने मन से और ये सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लिया इसी तरह से बनाने के लिए, एंड देन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इट। So if you distribute, you have x minus 2 integration 1 upon x plus 1 minus that can be written x plus 1 whole power minus 2 into dx. Into dx you write in this way, and then you can very easily integrate that result. So if you integrated it, you have x minus 2 log of x plus 1. 2 log of x plus 1, and here you have plus 2. This 2 is multiplying here also, and if you integrate here, you have x plus 1 whole power minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c is there, okay, and is equal to x minus 2 log of x plus 1, and here you have minus 2 into 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. So that is your final result. Understand? Noted. तो मेन आपको ये देखना है कि इफ यू हैव एनी रेशनल फंक्शन, इफ यू हैव एनी रेशनल फंक्शन, है ना, इफ यू हैव एनी रेशनल फंक्शन, सो इन दैट केस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओनली यू हैव टू चेक its degree of numerator and denominator. Understand? If they are same, divide it. If the degree of numerator is greater, in that case you have to also divide it. Understand? Yes. Note it. And just I give you same type of question also, so that is to build up the concept. Okay. Right. Okay, so your next question is x square plus 5x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 dx. X plus 2 dx. So this is your question, है ना? So again here you see that here you have degree 2 and here you have degree 1. Means the degree of numerator is greater. So divide it. So if you divide here, you write here x plus 1. Here you have x square plus 5x plus 2. So how many times? X times. Okay. So you write x square plus x. And if you subtract it, here you cancel. So you have 4x plus 2. So 4 times. So you have 4x plus 4. Now again, you have result here minus 2. Here you have minus 2 as remainder. So the complete result can be written as x plus 4 and here minus 2 upon this fraction divisor x plus 2 into dx. You can write in this way. And then here you see that that function which you obtained in simplest form can be very easily integrated. Okay. So start. Integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of 4, so write 4x. And here your integration is 2 times of log x plus 2 plus c. That is your result. So this is your solution.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So when we divide, then we will divide by x by plus 2 now here.
Oh, sorry, beta. Actually, just correct it. You write here 1. Actually, हम ध्यान ही नहीं दिए बेटे. So you correct it. You write here 1. Nah, don't worry about it. Only that is focus on the method here. Okay. So here just correct it. Actually 2 लेना चाहिए था, वो miss कर गया. Yeah, correct it. So suppose here you divide it by 1 and you have your result. Okay. Do it. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you come to your next, that is form of integration. So your next form is completely depends. So just listen to everyone. Suppose if you have any integration of the form sine to the power mx dx, or you have cos to the power mx dx, means the sum power of that is sine and cos, then first type of integration, how you simplifying it. So here you only, in place of sine to the power mx or cos to the power mx, you try to reduce that function as here you generally applying your formula as sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. है ना? So you applying here in place of sine square x, and secondly in place of cos square x you can write 1 plus cos 2x by 2. And in this way you can very easily, that means getting your result in simplified form, and you are able to integrate that function. Understand? So first you note that result, how you, that is simplifying the integration of such type of function. Okay, so just I give you some questions based on it. ये नोट कर लिया बेटा सब लोग आपने?
No, sir.
Oh, yeah, note it. कहो, इतना तो बुद्धिमान हो तुम लोग यार. उसको फ्रीज में रख दो ना. Okay. Now just see your next question. Suppose if you had any function sine square x dx, and here you integrate it. Okay. So what you do? In place of sine square x, you write 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. You write in this way. and integrate it. So this 2 is constant. So just get out, that is that be outside from this integral sign. And for 1 you write here x. Integration of cos is what? Sin x. So write here sin 2x divided by coefficient of x means 2 and plus c. So that is your result. So if you want, you can write in this way also, x by 2 minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c is your result. So you are not that is directly able to getting the result of sin square x, because you have no any formula which is matched with this sin square x, है ना. जैसे कोई ऐसा फंक्शन नहीं था जिसको आप डिफरेंशिएट करो और आपको रिजल्ट sin square x मिल जाए, नहीं है ऐसा, ठीक है. So that's why you applying such type of result here. Okay. हो गया बेटा, कर लिया. In the same way, you can write for cos square x also. You can very easily simplifying it. But if you have the function like that, चलो हमने cos square से related ये ले लिया cos to the power 4x dx. Suppose if you have your result integration of cos to the power 4x dx, then how you solve such type of question? So that can be written as cos square x whole square dx. And in place of cos square x, you use the same identity. So you have 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 whole square dx. You write in this way. बोलो बेटे क्लियर. अब ये 2 तो कांस्टेंट है ना, तो ये इसको आप बाहर कर सकते हो. So that be written as 1 upon 4 and just expand it. So 1 plus 2 cos 2x and plus cos square 2x dx. Again here you have cos square. So you just convert it again. So 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus in place of that you can write 1 plus cos twice of this angle cos 4x by 2 dx. And then you start integrating. So here you have 1 by 4. So here you have 1. So integration x. Integration of cos 2x. So write 2 into sin 2x divided by 2. Sin 2x divided by 2. And here you have by 2 here. For 1 you write x. And for cos 4x, so you write sin 4x by 4. Sin 4x by 4, okay, and plus c, and you write it in simplest form. So 1 by 4 into, here you have x and x by 2 is there, so just simplifying, so you have 3 by 2 times of x, 2 is cancel out, and here you have sin 2x plus sin 4x upon 8, or you write 1 upon 8 sin 4x plus c. Now, you multiplying each of the term by 4 also here, 1 by 4. So here you have 3 upon 8x plus 1 upon 4 sin 2x plus 1 upon 32 sin 4x plus c is your answer. So that is your answer. So in this way you can, that is getting your result. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So you practice on such type of question, and the same question, integration of cos to the power 4 x was asked in 2000 and 2003. And in the same way, integration of sin to the power 4x was asked in 2000 and 2004. In different set, है ना? तो आप इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन से प्रैक्टिस कर लो, and you use here same method to simplifying such type of result. Okay, now you write for sin cube x. You write for sin cube x. Okay, the time is also about to over. Okay, so integration of sin cube x dx. So how you solve such type of result? So you have the formula sin 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So from this identity, yes, getting the value of sine cube x. So sine cube x can be written 3 sine x minus sine 3x divided by 4. So in place of sine cube x, you write here 1 by 4, 3 sine x minus 3 sine, minus sine 3x. You write here sine 3x, understand? Dx. And integrate it. So you have 1 by 4, here you have 3, integration of sine, so minus cos x, and here you have plus cos 3x by 3